Okay. Okay, let's continue.
All right, so what is 9 times 3 minus 16?
9 minus 3 minus 16.
Yes.
I actually, you have to multiply 9 times 3
Yes.
because of parentheses.
What is
Okay,
9?
9
What is
minus
9?
3,
No,
that's 6.
you're multiplying, Sourish.
Yeah, but you said subtraction.
I did not. I said multiply 9 times 3.
Okay, that's a 27.
Okay. Minus 16.
27 minus 16,
Yeah.
that is 11.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to do a similar problem here. And I'm going to just change the function. Okay.
Okay, are those from the SAT?
Well, you're going to get different questions. We're practicing so that when you see something like this on the SAT, you know how to do it. So let's go 8x minus 20. F of x is 8x minus 20. I want you to calculate f of 3.
Okay.
How are you doing on this one?
I'm doing good.
It's just like the previous problem. You just have to substitute in 3 for x. And then you're multiplying 8 times 3 and then subtracting 20.
Okay. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I got something answer. It's 4.
The correct answer is 4. Good.
Yeah.
All right, so let's look at another problem here. All right, so here's a brand new problem.
Okay.
Let me just get it zoomed in here a little bit. Okay, the function g is defined by g of x equals 4x minus 2. What is the value of g of negative 3?
Okay, let me write that down so I can be able to get myself caught up. And I think I'm gonna figure it out. Let me figure it out on my own.
Okay, give it a try.
Yeah.
Do you have an answer for me, Sourish?
Yeah, I'm almost there.
Okay.
-14.
Yeah, so 4 times -3 minus 2 is -12 minus 2, which is -14. Good.
Mhm.
Excellent. Okay, so here, let's try one that's got a fraction in it.
Fraction.
Yep. They're just going to get more difficult. Okay, so here we go. The function k is defined by k of x equals 3x minus 5 over 2x plus 3. What is the value of k of 1? So now you've got to put 1 in for x in 2 places, up top and on the bottom. Do you want me to work this one out for you, or do you want to try it
Yeah,
on your own?
we can work this out.
Okay, so this is 3 parentheses 1 minus 5. That's the top. Do you see how I took 3x minus 5 and put 1 in for x?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And then you do the same thing on the bottom. Wherever you see an x, you're going to replace it with the value of 1. So it's 2 parentheses 1 plus 3. On the top, it becomes 3 minus 5. On the bottom, it's 2 plus 3.
Okay.
What is 3 minus 5?
All right. It's -2. 2 plus
Over
3 is 6.
5.
5. Sorry about that.
Okay. Can you reduce this fraction?
No.
No, you cannot. So this is your final answer.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do
Because
another one.
-2 and 5 are prime numbers.
That's true. They don't have to be though, but they are in this case. Okay, so let's try
Oh,
another
let me
one
write
here.
that down. Let me write that down. I
Okay.
need to
Okay,
write down my
good.
notes. Okay. Let's go.
All right, let's do another one here. So let's say that g of x equals 5x minus 4 over 3x minus 3. And I want you to find g of -1.
Okay.
So this time we're going to put -1 wherever we see an x.
Okay.
Is that okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to try this one on your own?
Hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yeah, I'm gonna try
Okay,
that one.
great.
1/0.
Okay, that is not correct. Let's do it together. So 5 times -1 minus 4 over 3 times -1 minus 3. Did you write that on your paper somewhere?
Oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry about that. I'm very sorry.
What number did you substitute in for x?
I substituted 1, but I thought it was, and now it's -1. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference. So what you did is true. It is, when you put 1 in, it is 1/0, and they would never give you that. That would never happen on a standardized test, but nevertheless, let's continue working on this.
Okay, let me figure this out. Okay, -5 minus 4. That is a negative. That is I got -9.
It is -9. Good. Okay, how about on the bottom?
-6.
That's right. Is there a number that goes into both of these?
3.
3 goes into both, so you divide both by 3. What about the negatives that are out in front?
And they will be staying as a negative.
They cancel. 2 negatives cancel.
Okay. Okay, and it equals 3/2.
3/2. Okay, let's try another one. Okay,
Mhm.
let's say k of x equals 1 minus 2x over 3 plus 4x. And I want you to find k of -1.
Okay.
-1. It's not 1, it's -1.
Okay. Okay, I'm having trouble with that.
Okay, so did you write 1 minus 2 parentheses -1?
No,
3.
that is, I haven't heard of that.
Well, it's just like the last problem, Sourish. You just take the value and you put it in for x. And you take the other value and put it in for x. It's exactly the same. Okay, so can you write this down on your paper, please?
Yeah. 1 minus 2, -1 times -1, that's 1.
Nope, you have to multiply first. What is 2 times -1?
Negative, 2 times -1, -2.
That's right. You have to do this first and then this first. So yeah, it's -2. How about on the bottom? What is 4 times -1?
4 times -1, and -4.
Okay. In the numerator, what do 2 negatives make?
What do 2 negatives make? A
Yes.
positive.
Yes, it becomes 1 plus 2. On the bottom, what is 3 minus 4?
Okay. Since now they're gonna switch, we have to switch them.
What is 3 minus 4 on the bottom?
-1.
-1. Okay. The top becomes 3. The bottom is -1. The negative always goes back to the top.
Okay. So for 1 minus -2, you have to switch them, and you have to switch the negative to a positive, right?
Right. I asked you, I said, what happens when you have 2 negatives? They cancel each other out. They make a plus. 2 negatives turn into a plus.
Okay. Hold on. So 4 times -1, that's a -4.
That's right. Do you see where I wrote -4 on the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 3 minus -4, that's -1.
Yes.
Okay, weird. All right. Okay.
So the final answer here
Oh,
is
-1/3.
-3.
Okay.
All right, let's try a new problem.
Okay.
All right, so here's a new problem here. Completely new problem. Can you read it out loud for us?
Read it out loud.
Yes.
Okay. For the function f defined above, what is the value of f over parentheses 1?
F of 1. So what are you supposed to do with this 1? What are you supposed to do with that?
For that, you're supposed to use that for you're supposed to use that for the x right there.
Supposed to put that value in for x.
Yeah.
So it becomes 2 parentheses 1 minus 1 plus 2. And you have to simplify that.
Okay. All right, let me write that down.
Do you have this down, Sourish?
Yeah, I have it down, and it's 2.
It is 2. Yes, the
It's
final
like
answer is
order
2.
of operations.
It is. So we're going to do another one just like this. Okay, so when you get a chance to do it on your own here, let's say g of x equals 3 times x minus 1 plus 4, And I want you to find g of -1.
Okay.
So what are you going to do with that value of -1? Where does it go?
It has to go in an X.
Yes. So you have 3 parentheses, -1, -1, +4. And you're right, it's order of operations. So go ahead and try that, see what you come up with, please. Do you have an answer for me, Sourish?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. -2.
Okay, so 3 times -2 plus 4. 3 times -2 is -6 plus 4 is -2. Good. Okay. All right, so let's try a new problem here. Doing real well on these.
Yep.
All right, so the function f is defined by f of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 6, and they want you to find f of 4. So now you're putting that 4 into 2 places.
Okay.
Okay, so it's 4 squared. Notice how I'm putting it in parentheses. Minus 5 times 4 plus 6.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let me just write all this down and then we can figure it out. But okay. So you want to proceed?
Yeah, I want you to try working it out from here. You're going to square the 4. You're going to multiply 5 times 4. And then you're going to combine.
Okay.
So what is 4 squared, Sourish?
4 squared. That's 16.
What is 5 times 4?
20.
Okay, and now you just have to combine these 3 numbers.
Okay. Okay. I'm writing all this down. It's 1.
It's not 1. What is 16 minus 20?
That's. It's 4.
It's -4
Yeah.
plus 6. Well, it's different. I mean, 4 and -4 are completely different.
Mhm.
What is,
It's -1, right?
it is not -1. -4 plus 6.
Is it 10?
No. So this is why I was recommending to your dad that you could do some rocket math. And the reason is like, you have to be able to do this. I mean, this is something you should have learned, 5 years ago, we'll say. And it's okay. I mean, you have time to figure this out, but no, the answer is 2. 6 is further from 0 than -4.
I'm very sorry. I thought for a second that it was supposed to be 1 because 6 minus 4, but I thought it was a 5, but no, because I was just looking at my notebook for trying to figure it out, and I didn't pay attention properly right now.
Okay, well, we're going to try another one here.
Yeah, I'm very sorry. Please.
Let's say g of x equals x squared minus
So it's
3x.
2,
Yes,
-2.
yes.
Okay.
I want you to find g of 2. So you're going to put that 2 in wherever you see an x.
Okay, in there. All right, I got this.
How are you doing on this one?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
So it's good to put the numbers in parentheses when you substitute.
Yeah, I got this. I got this.
Okay.
Six.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay. So your final answer is 6. So it's 4 minus 6 plus 4. Okay. What is 4 minus 6?
4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 right there. That is -2.
Okay. And -2 plus 4?
-2 plus 4.
Yes, because you have to bring that plus 4 down.
And -2 plus 4. I know what that is. That is gonna be. And that right there is gonna be.
It's not 6. We can go say
I
that
know,
for
I
sure.
know, I know, I know, I know. It's -2.
It is not -2. The 4 is further from 0. So the answer must be positive.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And yet it needs to be like normal 2.
Normal 2. Yes. Good. Okay. Let's try another one.
Oh wait. Can you go back up?
Sure. Sure.
I need
Yeah.
to fill those in.
Okay. Go ahead and get that down and let me know when you've got it. We'll do another problem.
Yeah. Okay, let's go on.
All right, let's try this one here. Let's go. Let's say h of x equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. And I want you to find h of 3.
Okay.
How are you doing on this
I'm
one?
doing good. I'm just trying to I'm trying to solve the equation.
Did you substitute 3 in for x?
I'm doing it now.
Okay.
Mhm. Hmm. It's 2. Oh, wait. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that. It's 8. It's 8.
Okay, so you think it's 2 or 8? Okay, let's go
8.
ahead and look this.
It's 8.
What is 3 squared?
3 squared is 9.
Okay, what is 4 times
4
3?
and 4 times 3. It is negative 12.
Well, 4 times 3 is 12, but there's a subtraction symbol in front of it. Okay, what is 9 minus 12?
9 minus 12. That right there, 9 minus 12 is negative 3.
Okay, minus 5
That's 8.
is not 8. They're
But I
both
just did my
they're both
problem on it.
they're both negative. It cannot be positive. They're both negative. This is again why something like rocket math would really help you, because if you're able to get to this step, you should be able to tell me the answer is minus 8.
Okay, maybe you know what? I'll just try to do some rocket math.
Yeah, it'll really help you. Something like that.
Okay, yeah. I'll just try to do some rocket math. Do your students do it?
I have one other student doing it, and he's really shown a lot of improvement, and it's fun. There's
Is
games.
he in high school?
Yeah.
Okay.
They have games. It's probably better to do that than your homework. It's going to be more fun than that, but it's going to help you on this test for sure.
Okay.
Okay, let's try one more here. Let's
Can we be
say,
done?
if you want, it's up to you. Do you want to be done now?
Yeah, we can be done for today.
Okay, go ahead and let your dad
Thank you,
know.
Matthew.
You're welcome.
All right, Dad.